Are with the exercise called as a date and time using Excel. How to format date and time in your Excel in as a professional way. So for this you require for date function year, month and date is required, and for time function hour, minute and second is required. In this way you have to keep it in your Excel. So when you do it equals, you have to type date. Once you type date, when you click this, you have to select your year, then month, then day, close your bracket. So format has come for date. Likewise, when you want the time function time, when you select it, you require hours, 14 hours 55 minutes. So 14 hours comma minutes 55 minutes, for example 30 seconds. So you have to close the round bracket and enter. So date and time function you have to do like this in your Excel. You can copy paste for the further cells if it is required. Thank you.